Hi guys, subscribe to my channel, leave a like, leave a comment, and share this video to your grandson. Okay? Okay? Can you handle it? Hero? This is a challenge, right? So what's up? So I think that we have done something great, right? Where is it? Okay, not here. Okay, okay, something bad is happening, but terminal, OBS, browser, terminal, OBS browser, terminal, OBS browser. So this script is pretty cool, you know. So yeah, where's it? So yeah, it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. So yeah, so we decided just to check if it's more than 50, then we raise, and we raise everybody. Okay. Yes. Okay. The next thing I want is um. So okay, imagine I'm like working with a browser. Then I want to swap to my terminal, okay? And then when I swap again, I want to swap again to the browser. So I want to continuously switching between them, okay? I don't use OBS, so I want to switch only about, it's like in Windows, you know? But if I will execute, I will switch to OBS. So every time I will need to press this extra key and perform, but it is useless, okay? Because I don't need OBS, so so what I actually need is what, like, swap. No, no, no. If previous swap was, okay, if it's first swap, then cycle. Okay, this is what we have basically. But if it's second swap, swap back to previous. Okay, yeah, and I will create some other functions. So first of all, I will create this function main2 just so it will not be invoked. Okay, I will create another main. And I will create a function that will just void print stack. Okay, so it will just print stack. Okay, so first of all, of course, it will need those two. Okay, print stack. After that, it will just like cycle, you know, so. But I will need to copy those. So we are cycling, and what else we're doing? Yeah, we're printing name, and basically printing this shit. Oh, stack, right? Oops, stack. Yeah. So I need this. So fetch stuff. Um, fetch stuff. Then cycle. Um, then getting geometry and printing. Wow, is it actually compiling? I don't know. Yeah, let's actually test it. Why not? Print stack. Make. Have some errors. Of course, I don't have. Okay. And I don't have. Make. Okay, it seems I don't have any errors, so let's try. Yeah, okay, it's just printing stack. So right now, actually wait, let's say int arc c char agree if arc c equals 1, then print stack if r, then actually swap, okay? Now we'll create like the swap function, and it will be basically the same function, will swap, but yeah, but it will just raise, okay? Where am I? Where am I? So raise, okay? Raise, okay? But if swap, so this one will be 1 0. Okay. Okay. So stack swap. Okay. Actually, you know what? Let's print. So print will be here, and this one will be if swap. Okay, 1 second, guys. Okay, so we have changed, you know. So here first, before swap, we have like this, 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 and after swap we have this, this. Okay, so those two are moved here, and this one moved up here. Okay. So so. I have one question. What if I will always put my terminal, okay, on top, okay? So my terminal is this. Let's try, yo. So, pew 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 pew. Okay. So here is, so my terminal is on the back. And I will execute it like this. Boom. 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 Wow, nothing changed, right? Oh, this is cool. It's crazy, right? Crazy, guys. Browser, terminal, OBS, browser, terminal, OBS. Wow, guys. Unexpected, right? Unexpected. Why unexpected? Because here I raise it, okay? Let's try to lower it actually. Who knows? Who knows? Nobody, right? It seemed to not work at all. Which is quite sad, right? Quite sad. Quite sad. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I need another function. Or maybe no, no, what? No, I don't need. I copied, right? Terminal. Ah, I have it here. Okay. So I will raise everybody, but I will say like if shall equal equals then lower it, okay? Otherwise raise. Let's try. Yeah, seems great, seems great. Seems great because I'm actually putting my terminal down, okay? Which is quite great. It means then that I actually put it always up, okay? By saying raise, and here by saying lower. You see? Yeah, so this is actually cool. This is actually cool. This is actually cool, you know? What does it mean? This means that I can have prev, okay? Prev. Actually, let's create some go to, some label, and then some scanf. Wait a second, guys. Okay, guys, so yeah, so I'm going just to do some stuff here, you know. So yeah, so just some infinite stuff, you know. Okay, why did I do that? I don't know, but let's launch it. So wait, okay. What's happening actually? So we are raising quite. This is terminal. Okay, I see. Okay, so actually I have a question. I will comment out this. I don't know. Oops. Okay, So I will lower everybody. Doesn't work right because I actually need to raise. Raise? I don't know. Wow, it stopped even working. Wow, cool. If swap. Okay. So I didn't like. Okay. Mm, low one. Actually, let's. Yes, I don't know. If it's maximum, it's bad. Okay, and this happens because I entered enter, I think. Okay, swapping Chrome. Okay, it's not swapping. Why? Why is it not swapping? I don't know, guys. I don't know. Let's add a delay. I hope it is not the problem, but I don't see other. Mm, okay, I don't see anything. Okay, okay, okay. So it is not working right. Oh my. Kill. Okay. Okay, and this is crazy, right? Because it was working. By the way, let's see what happen if I will. Now let's remove sleep. But what if I will make my terminal small enough? Nothing is happening, and it is kind of crazy, you know? Wow, guys, it's crazy. Okay, I have some idea. I have some idea, guys. Let's now. Okay, we have terminal is small. Okay, let's make it big. Um, and again, okay, here. So terminal is this number. So let's just raise it, okay? Wow, guys, it is working. And it is crazy, right? So now let's try this, and then break. Okay. 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 It's cool, guys. It's really cool. Yeah, boy. So now let's have some previews. We'll have some stuff, Window brief equals 0. So okay, so let's try this. So I'll say if prev, then what we will do is just say int temp equals prev, then prev equals wait guys 1 second. So I want to understand first. So I have OBS. Yeah, so I can have like current. So I have pref and Windows cure. So if previous and current, then we will swap them, right? So previous equals cure and cure equals temp. We will swap and then we will raise. Raise cure. And here we will say break, and here we will also say cure. Okay, so first of all, we'll say that if like we are going somewhere, we are going, okay, and we are saying like current equals this somewhat, right? Children return I. In the end, we are going to swap. Okay. If swap. Okay, something like this, you know. And previous. Will be here, okay, so if not if null equals previous and previous equals current, I don't like this code, to be honest. But if like we don't have current, okay, then we just set current, okay. If we don't have current, we set it. If we else, okay. If we have current, um, we'll have a lot of stuff. Ref. And like let's make like some logic, okay? If we don't have current, we set it to first. If we if we uh, if we have pref um, then swap to it back. Then actually swap pref pref and current. If we clicked again quickly, then set current, set pref to current, and and scroll current. So pref would be the right one, okay? If we don't have current, we set it to first, okay? It's logical. If we have current, so this all happens if mouse click. Then if we don't have current, we set it, okay, to any, okay. And in the end, we switch to current. If we don't have current, we set it to any, okay, and that's all. If we have current and we have pref, then swap pref and current, okay. So this is like the case where like we are just pressing, so we're just swapping to our previous window, and that makes sense, okay. So if we will swap swap so like we are working on our terminal, we press button, we swap to our browser, we work on our browser, we press button again, and we will swap not to the next window, but we will swap to the pref. We will go back to our terminal and we will like between them, okay. So if we have current and pref and it's not a double click, okay. So we are like working some time, okay, and after that we are pressing, okay. It means like that we are trying to switch, okay. So we are working and we are trying to switch. So in this case, we actually don't know, like we want to switch to previous window or to find new window. But in most cases, we are switching between two windows. Like I'm here, so I'm using OBS, but actually I will switch like with browser and terminal. So in most cases, I will actually want to switch between them. That's why we first switch to the previous window, okay? And we save like our place, okay? Yeah, I think it's better to show. Yeah, but I think in anime. And after that, so it's not a double click, okay? So it's first time we're pressing the button, so we will switch to the previous. So if mouse click, then if we don't have current, we set it to any. It's okay. Yeah, it's okay, I think. If we have current and pref, then let's. Yeah, actually I skipped one part, so like from the first, when I start the program, I don't have anything. So if I don't have current, we set it to any, okay? And that's all. If I have current, okay, so this one is not previous one. I mean, the previous one is wrong, right? So I have current. So if I if have prev, then swap current, then set prev here and change current to prev. Wait, but what if we don't have current? Okay, if we have current but we don't have prev, if we don't have prev, then set it to current and switch current to any. So we don't care. Okay, so it's our first time. So we actually don't care. So yeah, so imagine this scenario. So if I'm clicking, okay, no, I'll delete it. If we don't have current, we just set it, okay. If we have current but we don't have prev, then we set prev to here and just switch to other window. If we have prev, then we just switch to prev, okay, and like switch prev with current, okay. That's all. No, guys, if we don't have prev, okay, so here we have prev, so set prev here and change current prev. If it's first click, then I don't know why I'm using prev anyway. So if it's first click, so if it's not first click, that means if it's double click, then we don't change prev because it should remain where the first window we are switching from, and we are just changing current. So change current to any. Okay, so let's repeat. So if we don't have current, okay, we just set it to any. If we don't have prev, so if we have current and don't have prev, we just we just save prev here and go to any, okay. So if you have current and prev, that means that we are able to jump to previous, okay. Mm, so, but also, yeah, so if it's first, if we are clicking, we're jumping back, okay. So this is like the main scenario, right? But sometimes you want to jump not to previous window, but to jump to other window other than previous, okay? So we want to jump to a new window, okay? And in order to do it, you can quickly click again, and then if it's very quickly, then you will change the current more times, okay? Yeah, it's pretty easy. I just will swap those two things around. If it's double click, then change current to any. But if it's not double click, then set pref to cure and change current to pref. So I switched them places because I don't want to implement this one. So I will just implement those two and those two. So we will see like how I'm switching between two, and then we will implement this, so it will actually use timers. It will detect time, and if it's too low, then it will actually change current. Yeah, it's a great idea. So let's try to make it. I don't know, guys. So if we don't have current, okay, if then what? Then we just set it, okay. Set cure, okay. So basically, yeah. Okay, let's change set cure to any. Set cure to any. And of course return, okay. We don't want to do anything more. So if we have current, but we don't have like if we don't have like pref, okay. So it's like our second press, right? Then pref equals cure, and then set cure to any, but not cure, just in case. Okay, so if we have pref and we have cure, oh wait, I forgot return. If we have both of them, then we just swap. So yeah, just swap, okay. So int tmp equals cure. Oh, okay, we can just swap, okay. Swap I think I don't have this function. Swap cure and prev. If um, double click, then um, change q to any, but not. Yeah, I think change is more. No, set is more cool. Set to any, but not cure and not prev. And I guess, that's cool. Return. Okay, so let's again. So if we don't have current, that means we are first timers. So we just set it to anything. If we have current but we don't have pref, then we set cure to anything else and we save pref. If we have them both, wait. If we have them both and it's double, wait, what? No, okay. I will just read this first. If we have them both, and this is not a double click, it's hard, you know. If we have them both and it's not double click, then we will just swap them, okay? So if it's we have them both and it's not a double click, so it's just regular click, then we swap, okay? Then we swap, and again we will swap. If it's not double clicks, we will just swap. And otherwise, if it's a double click, then it means that we will find new current, okay? And we will leave pref. So actually, yeah, should cure to any, but not current and not pref, okay? So this is cool, right? Because I think it's gonna work. So let's read again. So if we don't have current, then we are setting it, okay, to anything. If we have current but we don't have pref, then we actually don't have any option, okay. So we are saving our place here and we are switching to other place, okay. Um, okay, if we have them both and it's not like a double click, so it's like a regular click, then we switch to one of them, okay. And if we have them both and it's a double click, then it means we clicked, so we have them both, we clicked once and then we clicked twice second time, and that means that we actually are trying to find other window, okay. So we will actually so I mean we clicked once, we switched, but so for example I'm in browser and in terminal, so I'm working, like I'm switching between browser and terminal, okay. And it's working, right? Because first I just set it to anything, then I set it pref. Oh wait, it is not gonna work. Uh, yeah, but imagine, okay? So I just started with one app, then I switched to another app, then I'm switching between them, and I'm like working, okay? But imagine that I switched, and instantly, I mean, when I'm switching, I understand that, yeah, I'm switching, and I'm like switching between them. But once in a while, after switch, I want to switch to other app that is not like one of those two. Okay, so I press again, and I will keep pressing until I will find the window I want to switch back to switch. Okay, so the new window. So if it's double clicks, then this function set cursor to any but not current and not prev will work, okay? It's kind of awesome, you know? It's kind of awesome. Okay, so go ahead, let's go ahead and realize them. So I actually can delete those because it's understandable. Yeah, something like this. So yeah, of course, I'll need to declare them. Okay. Uh, void. Okay, I will just okay. And I need just to realize just to make them. So first, it's the easiest. Void set cursor to any. Okay. So of course I'm going to do all of this stuff here. Right. I think root is not needed, by the way. Yeah, let's like go ahead and check this function because it's too long and pasting it every time would be, yeah, maybe we cannot like, yeah, maybe we can not. Okay, guys, I actually want to implement something like called function as an argument, okay? So no, I will not do it. Um, I will just create some variable. Um, state, and I will create some enum states. And yeah, basically, I'll just copy this stuff here. So oh, it didn't work. Oh my god. And unfortunately, I think they all should be capitalized. Oh my god. Okay, seems great. Set swap set to and but not current and not pref. Okay. to B. B. Wait. Okay, we don't need actually pref, right? I think yes. Place B, place N, place A, replace C, replace N. Okay. Oops, wrong. Okay. Seems cool. They begin with 1. This one is 0, which is wrong, right? It should be something. So here I will say state equals set cursor to any. Then we are switching and not switching, and state equals set cur to any but not current. If it's double click, we will need to implement it. Then state equals wait, do we really need? No, I think we can do it like this. Int cur equals ref and ref equals cmp, okay? And here state set cur. Okay, what does it mean double click? Okay. So unsigned um, unsigned um, elapsed or time. Can I say it like that? No. Ref click, okay, equals 0. So actually a double click int double click So actually, if so if it's first, so click, then of course we'll return false. But also we will set to ref click to be, I don't know, time. Is it like this? Man, time. Yeah, I think it's a good one. Okay, I'm starting to have a headache, so. So yeah. So if we have already clicked some time ago, then we will say like actually what does it returns? Time t, right? No, no, I just want 0. I think it will be good. Oh my. Yeah, it's like seconds, but I think I want like more than a second. But yeah, it can be okay. Yeah, it's actually gonna be okay. So if it's not like if we had like previously clicked, okay, uh, then we will see like how long. So uh, if um, if time now minus prev click uh, minus prev click, if it's okay, so if actually like we clicked like 2 times in a second, okay, then it's a double click, okay. But I think like more or less, I don't know, like maybe 2 seconds. I don't know, guys. Yeah, because like 1 second. So it could be 0 or 1. I think it's okay. So yeah, so if it's like 1 or 0, 1 or 0, then yeah, then it's a double click, return 1. Otherwise, it's not a double click because time elapsed is more. By the way, don't forget like to time we need like or no, wait. Mm. But wait, like we're clicking, right? So yes, I think I need to set it. Because we clicked, right? So we need to save our time. So if we didn't click, it's not a double click. If we clicked and the current time minus time we clicked is very low, then it's a double click, okay? Otherwise, it's not a double click, okay? Seems cool. So we define double click and we define those constants, okay? So now we will get back to our print stack, but I think we can call it like loop, okay? Why not? Like loop, okay? Here we have two windows. Here we have states. Seems cool. So if it's double click, we will just change our current and this one, right? And okay. But actually, we need to also check state, right? Yeah, actually, let's call like this, like uh, a loop, and just pass this stuff here. Because we're looping with some idea in mind, right? So here we will not even loop, right? Because it's a double click, so we don't even need to do anything, right? Here we need to loop. So we are saying cursor to any, but not cursor. Seems cool. We don't have cure set it. If we ref, we set cure to any, but not cure. If we now click, we just change them. Loop. Otherwise, yeah, just set it because it's non-double click. Wait, no, it's a double click, right? So we're changing, okay? So this one could be called like um, change update current window, okay? Current and preview window. Kind of cool, right? So what are we having? Like we have some global variables. We have okay, I want to do it like this. We also need a loop, okay? Void loop. Loop, and it will have like state, okay? And yeah, we'll call this one state. So here we are having display, some windows, some attributes. Root I think is not needed at all. I think we do it without roots. Okay. Okay, we don't have any logic here. And we are gonna to raise action, okay? But I think I have it, right? Yeah, I have it somewhere there. So yeah, here we're just opening display and traversing, right? Traversing stuff, so we're just traversing stuff. So we don't need actually here. We are just traversing stuff, and while we are traversing, of course we can like get name, get attributes, I don't know, blah blah blah. We are getting, wait, what? Oh my, I was pressing caps, okay. Okay, so I don't know what is this, so goodbye. Um, so if it's like big width, then it's in like it's window, okay, so we can actually do it. Okay. Okay. So here basically we'll do some real stuff, okay? So if state equals okay, let me do one more thing. No, I don't think I can do it. Set cure, okay. So if set cure to any, okay? What does it mean? That I will set like cure to any, so even to it. Children return, and that's all. I think even return, right? But wait, I need to close display, right? But wait, I actually can open display. I don't know, guys. Go to and here will be and loop, and here will be this close open. Okay, anyway, I need this to be closed. Close display in DPI, and so I will actually call it close. Close display. Go to close display. if state equals set current to any but not then if children return is not equal to cure, then we are setting it and actually going there. The last one, if state equals set to any but not current, not pref, then if children return it equals current and children return doesn't equal pref, right? Then set current, right? Actually, let's call it set current, I don't know. Okay, quite cool. Is it all? I think no, right? So we're just updating, but we're also like closing, right? We are opening and we are actually closing. Close display. Okay. So the only thing that needed to be is actually raising. And yeah. So in main, I think I'll just do I'll just yeah, the problem here is I actually want to keep it also here, so I will have to deal with it. So yeah, I will move. Wait, I will move DPI to here. And this call I'll also move to main. Okay. So now we have some space here, so we will set current window and we will actually raise it, right? Yeah, I think yeah. Raise. And we'll say cure. I think it's a good one. Actually, yeah, it is. I'll delete this one. And yeah, I think Yeah, we will have to go through it because I don't want random stuff to happen. So if we're setting to any, we'll just say set it. Okay. By the way, here we don't need anything, like we can just return. The same goes here and here. Yeah, that's why it's a good idea to check, double check. So if we're setting it to any, then we just set it. If it does not cure, yeah, just set it not to cure. If state set cure to any but not cure and not prep, check it's not prep. Okay, I like. So now we open display, we set current window, we raise it, and we close our display. And then we repeat. Yeah, I like it, I don't know. Error too few arguments. 83. What? Why do I need to do it? Wait, why I call this? No, I need to call this, right? Oh my. Okay. Okay. Okay, seems great. Let me just paste. So it will be more beautiful, you know. Okay, in function, undefined reference, double click. Why undefined if it's actually defined? Is it defined? I remember I was doing it. No, guys, I actually deleted it accidentally. Okay, anyway, I'll come back to it. Yep, here it is. Okay. Oh my. Oh my. No, I lost it, right? Oh, I have. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Nice, nice, nice. So double click. If no previous click, then okay. It's not a double click. If time was very low, yeah, then yes, double click. Otherwise, no. Nice. Okay, lol. Just lol, right? Okay, so I need to press some button, right? Okay, OBS is here. Okay, let's actually do it more cooler. Something like this, okay? So, one terminal. So imagine I'm working in the terminal, and then I want to switch back. Boom. Working here. Boom. Boom. But if I will want to switch to a browser, okay? What I'll do? Boom. And since I was switching from OBS, when I will hit now, switch now, yeah, I'm switching to OBS. And from here, I will switch back to the browser. Okay, now I will switch between browser and terminal. Okay, seems cool. Okay, seems cool. Seems really cool, guys. I'll kiss my mom second. Okay, guys, so I decided to stop this video at this moment, so yeah, I mean okay guys, bye. Bye bye.